Hello, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to be talking about how to unpack standards because we have started module 6, and in this activity we were asked to unpack standards and also say where we got the standards from, how we intend using it, yeah, and so on. So first thing is the grade level is grade 1, and the standard I decided to use is the physical education standard. Why did I choose this standards? Because I work mostly with the physical education teachers, and almost throughout the week we have physical education classes, and it's really interesting. The kids are so excited exploring the facilities on campus and just exercising their bodies. So having been there with them, even during the weekend they go for extra activities where I also go. So I just starting to develop interest into this field, and I feel that one day I will try to go into that field. So that's why I decided to choose the standards. And so the sources I got the standard from is the SHIP Physical Education. This is a special website where the physical education teachers get their standards and also different activities that they do with the kids. Even though at school we also use the arrows, the common calls error. So, but then as teachers, this is where they get their sources and they were able to share with me. So the first, I was able to get like 5 standards, and I will just briefly going to get the nouns, the verbs and the skills out of them and just briefly discuss them. So the first standard is the S3 E2, engaging in physical activities. So mainly the overall is about actively engages in physical activity education class. So that's standard 1, and standard 2 is the non-locomotor stability. That's the main idea, is the maintaining stillness on different bases of support without body shifts. And this one is to demonstrate twisting, curling, bending, and stretching actions. And so these are the standards that falls under the unit health, balance, and flexibility. So what is the big idea? Now the big idea is the learners will physically physical activity is important for the health. That's one thing. And the other one will be they are healthy and unhealthy food also. So because of this, we have to exercise and be able to keep fit. And the other thing that other big idea is to know that the heart is a big muscle, and it needs this activity so that it keeps going. So then next one will be, it is important to be safe while doing PE classes. So these are the big ideas. And what are the skills? So the skills will be like the kids will be able to demonstrate concert, level, tempo, pathway, directions, for example. And one is also to demonstrate non-locomotor skills, and they'll be able to explain differentiated relationship, for example, under, over, backward, etc. And the kids will also be able to define open space, discuss personal reason for enjoying physical activities. So we now move on to the 21st century skills. The 21st century skills will be the kids will be able to cooperate with partner or group. They will demonstrate courtesy toward others, sharing with others, expressing self-creativity, enjoy movement, etc. and etc. For the online learning, if as we teach this online, videos will be recorded by the teacher doing this different movement, and then be able to post it to the children, and they can watch the video and be able to follow the steps and maintain that integrity. Even in the absence of the teacher or anyone who's now watching them, they are still able to demonstrate the activities. So when we come to assessment, how are they going to be assessed? For the formative assessment is ongoing, so different movement activities, the teacher will move around, will observe, ask questions, making sure that kids are comfortably doing what is expected of them. And the summative assessment will be the picture or sheet of paper to identify different activities that were done and try them out. And so for the different students, like for the special needs, and they will be allowed them to do activities according to their rate of, for example, if we were doing like 50 jumps and they might be able to do the jumps that they are able to do. And so for the students with the ELS students, we will like bring pictures that they can see, okay, this is what we are doing, these are the movements that are happening. So these are what we will be able to achieve from this unit. Thank you.